Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Brita Ultramax is probably one of the most essential appliances for any health-conscious individual or family looking to improve their daily water intake and overall well-being, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution to access clean, great-tasting filtered water right from your refrigerator. Number 5. AQUA CREST Replacement for Brita Water Filters. Enjoy peace of mind with our NSF-certified water filter. It's certified for chlorine reduction and made with lead-free materials, ensuring your water is safe and pure. Experience a high and stable water flow rate thanks to its outstanding filtration. Made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, it guarantees every drop is clean and refreshing. This filter is designed to fit all Brita pitchers and dispensers, as well as great value pitchers. It's a perfect match for your existing water system, excluding specific Brita models. Our filter uses a 4-stage filtration process, including coconut shell activated carbon and ion exchange resin. It effectively reduces chlorine, rust, taste, odor, and sediments for cleaner water. Enjoy optimal performance with a long lifespan of up to 40 gallons, based on NSF certification. It provides great-tasting purified water while helping you reduce plastic waste. With a 6-count package, you get a year's supply of filters. This ensures you always have access to clean, great-tasting water without frequent replacements. What we like? If you're looking for a cost-effective way to ensure clean water, this is a great option. It offers excellent filtration and a long lifespan, reducing both waste and the need for frequent replacements. Consider this if you want to maintain great-tasting water while being mindful of your budget and environmental impact. What people say. The Brita Ultramax water dispenser holds 22 cups of water, which is a great capacity for a family. The dispenser has a slim design that fits easily in the refrigerator. The filter indicator lets you know when it's time to change the filter, ensuring you always have clean, great-tasting water. Number 4. Brita Ultramax 27-cup water dispenser. Introducing the Brita Ultramax, a large 27-cup water dispenser designed for your home. It's BPA-free and ready to provide you with cleaner, great-tasting water. This dispenser is designed to reduce impurities like chlorine, copper, mercury, and cadmium. Enjoy water that tastes better and is free from unwanted contaminants. Make a sustainable choice and save money by using this dispenser. It can help you replace up to 1,800 single-use plastic bottles annually. Its space-efficient design makes it fridge-friendly, fitting easily into your refrigerator. The easy-locking lid and precision pour spigot offer convenience. Never guess when to change your filter again. The built-in sticker indicator lets you know exactly when it's time for a fresh filter. The included standard filter lasts for 40 gallons or about 2 months. For even longer-lasting filtration, consider our elite filters which last up to 6 months. What we like? For households that consume a lot of water, this dispenser is ideal. Its generous capacity and convenient spigot make it easy to serve water for everyone. If you need a reliable, large-volume water solution for your family, this is the one to choose. What people say. It holds a lot of water and the filter works great. The water tastes clean and fresh after filtering. The dispenser is a good size for my refrigerator. Number 3. Waterdrop PT-05P 7-cup water filter pitcher. Introducing a stylish and compact water filter pitcher, designed to fit perfectly in your refrigerator. Its modern look and 7-cup capacity make it an essential for any home or office. Experience ultimate convenience with its innovative hands-free lid. It allows for automatic water dispensing, keeping your water clean and dust-free. This pitcher is NSF certified, ensuring high-quality filtration. It effectively reduces chlorine by up to 97.4%, providing you with cleaner, better-tasting water. Equipped with advanced multi-stage water filter technology, it significantly reduces chlorine, PFOA, PFOS, and other impurities. Enjoy purified water without the worry. Never guess when to change your filter again. The built-in indicator lets you know exactly when it's time for a replacement, ensuring optimal performance. Enjoy up to 200 gallons of filtered water with each filter, which lasts 5 times longer than standard filters. It's an efficient and cost-effective solution for your hydration needs. What we like? If you appreciate both style and substance in your kitchen appliances, this pitcher is a fantastic choice. Its compact, colorful design fits well in refrigerators, and the extended filter life means less hassle. It's perfect for those who want a functional and aesthetically pleasing water solution for smaller spaces or for gifting. What people say. The no-touch water fill is such a time saver. No chance of contaminating the interior. This water filtration pitcher is easy to assemble and is lightweight enough to move quickly in and out of the refrigerator. It is perfect for a small space like right next to the milk. It takes up a lot less width than other pitchers I've had in the past. One filter processes 200 gallons of tap water and there is an indicator light to tell you when to change the filter. Number 2. Brita Ultramax 27-cup water dispenser. Introducing the Brita Ultramax, a large 27-cup water dispenser designed for your kitchen. It's BPA-free and ready to provide you with cleaner, great-tasting water. This dispenser effectively reduces impurities like chlorine, copper, mercury, and cadmium from your tap water. Enjoy water that tastes better and is free from unwanted contaminants. Make a sustainable choice by switching to this water filter system. You can save money and significantly reduce your reliance on single-use plastic bottles. Its space-efficient design makes it perfect for your refrigerator. It also features an easy-locking lid and a precision pour spigot for convenient use. Never guess when to change your filter again. The included sticker indicator clearly shows you when it's time for a replacement. The included standard filter lasts for 40 gallons or about 2 months. For even longer-lasting filtration, it's also compatible with elite filters. What we like. If you have a busy household that needs a constant supply of filtered water, this dispenser is a top contender. Its large size and convenient spigot ensure easy access for multiple people throughout the day. Choose this if you're seeking a practical and efficient way to provide filtered water for a family. What people say. The Brita Ultramax water dispenser holds 22 cups of water, which is a large capacity. The dispenser has a slim design that fits well in the refrigerator. The filter indicator lets you know when to replace the filter, ensuring you always have clean water. Number 1. Waterdrop 10 UA Under Sink Water Filter System. Experience cleaner, better tasting water with our advanced under-sink filtration system. It effectively reduces common contaminants like lead, chlorine, and unpleasant odors, ensuring every glass is pure and refreshing. Enjoy significant savings on replacement filters, costing less than $25.99 each. This makes it a cost-effective solution for your household's daily water needs, saving you over 50% on subsequent uses. Designed for convenience, installation takes just 3 minutes with its innovative twist and lock and push-to-connect fittings. Replacing the filter is just as simple, ensuring you always have access to clean water. Our upgraded filtration area boasts a 20x larger dirt adhesion capacity, preventing clogging and ensuring a consistent flow rate. Each filter provides up to 12 months of service for municipal water, covering your family's needs. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, RVs, or offices, this compact system fits seamlessly under your sink. It's an ideal choice for leased properties, providing pure water wherever you go. Enjoy a rapid and stable supply of pure water, tasting as fresh as spring water. Its upgraded design ensures an efficient flow rate of up to 1.33 GPM, preventing blockages and ensuring long-term usability. We stand behind our product with comprehensive after-sales assistance. If you encounter any quality issues, our dedicated team is here to help ensure your satisfaction with the filter's performance. What we like. For those who want filtered water directly from their faucet without a countertop appliance, this under-sink system is the ultimate solution. It offers a fast flow rate and a simple installation process, making it ideal for kitchens where space is a premium or for a seamless aesthetic. If you desire convenience and a clean look, this is the best option. What people say. This water filter seems to be of good quality and has made a difference in the taste. I have mine set up to work through the cold water side in my kitchen sink and it works beautifully. This filter is great. It immediately improves the quality of your tap water in taste, smell, and clarity to a huge degree. The product works exactly as advertised and feels like a solid, reliable under-sink water filter. Installation is generally straightforward, but in my case I had a 1/4-inch compression shut-off valve and faucet inlet, which made the setup a bit tricky. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.